Hello everyone, I hope you all are happy and safe at home. Today we are going to learn about sound of letter Y. Do you know Y has two magical sounds, I and E? Let's learn about it through a story. This story is of a robber. Yes, that's a thief. One night, a thief came out of his house to rob all the things from the town that looked like Y. But when he found those things, he picked them up and shook them. If they made the sound of I and E, then only he would keep them in his bag. If not, then he would leave them back at their place. All night he kept on going and searching for white things that makes the sound of I and E. Now this Y was very naughty. Sometimes it would make the sound I and sometimes it would make the sound E. Now let's see when it makes which sound. So when letter Y has a vowel before it, it gets very excited. It gets very happy. So it starts making the sound E. And when the wall does not find any wall before it, it gets upset and says, I. Let's explore it through more words like S, K, Y. What sound will it make? Y does not have any vowel before it. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and it does not have any vowel sound before it. So Y became upset and made the sound I. So it became S, K, I. The word is sky. Next, L. No vowel before the letter. It will make the sound I. L. I. Fly. Birds fly in the sky. Next is K. R. I. Cry. R. No vowel before it. It will make I sound. Dry. So here in all these words we had no vowel before letter I. So it became upset and made the sound of I in sky, fly, cry, dry. In this first word, Y had a vowel before it. Vowel A. It got very excited and made the sound E. So, B, A, B, E, baby. A, E, puppy. B, A, E, bunny. A, E, happy. S, O, R, E, sorry. In all these words, letter Y had a vowel before them that made a short sound. So when the Y letter saw a vowel before it, it became very happy and made the sound of E. So the words became baby, puppy, bunny, happy, and sorry. So whenever Y has a vowel before it, it makes a sound E, and when it does not have a vowel before it, it becomes sad and makes a sound I. I hope you all will make a lot more words with these two sounds. Have a fun with letter Y. Bye bye.